If they're a contractor, you have to issue them a 1099. What's the difference? W-2 are employees. Usually, you control when they work. You dictate how many hours they're going to work. They use the company's tools. They're covered under your insurance. 1099 is when you sub it out, basically. You may need somebody just for a weekend. They have their own company. They have their own tools, or they're their own person with their own tools, their own insurance, their own line of work, but you need them as a specialty because you're cutting this tree and you need to sculpt it in a certain way. You don't know how to do that, but you got the job, you got the client relationship, they're paying you. So you're going to pay them, say, $1,000 for the job. 1099, anyone who you pay over $600, you got to issue them a 1099 for all the money you paid them throughout the year. W-2, you need to set up a formal payroll service. You need to get with somebody like ADP, issue them a W-2. There's payroll tax returns involved. It's a whole other animal. You don't want to do that wrong. It's a quarterly filing. That's outside of what we're talking about today. But you need to know if you're going to start paying people, you have to decide whether you're paying them as a W-2 or an independent contractor. If it's an independent contractor, you don't have to withhold taxes like a W-2 and have a formal payroll set up. You need to get what's form W-9 from them. All that is their name, their tax ID number, and their address. At the end of the year, you issue them a 1099 for the total amount you paid them throughout the year. And get that W-9 before they start doing any work for you, because if you pay them 10 grand and then you ask later on for the W-9, you may not always get it. But it's important for you to issue the 1099 as the business owner because you're responsible.